Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can enable notifications for updates on the games you like to play. So I'm just going to go to the notifications. Actually, no, I'm going to select a game here, and to enable notifications from that game, I'm simply just going to select this notification button so that whenever this game has like updates and stuff like that, you'll be able to see it in your notifications, which is here. But in notifications, there's only mostly just like friend requests and stuff like that. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching it. Bye!